So today it's raining. I figured I'd take this time and clean some brass up because I'm going to reload all this 6mm arc and do that test again and bring you along on it. But
this is all wrong.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this brass. I've deprimed most of it and I've resized all the 6 arc brass. I haven't resized or deprimed the 6.5 Grindle conversion. I'm going to clean it. I'm going to show you the recipe I use. It's raining outside. I'm bored. Figured I might as well get some stuff done today. A lot of times when I'm doing load development, I'll write the charge on the case. So when I go back through, I can check primers if they get mixed up. This is what I use. I have some Lemmy Shine detergent booster, some Liquid Dawn, and some Finish Jet Dry. What that Jet Dry does, when you're done tumbling and knock all your pins out and you dry your brass, without it, sometimes you get water spots on your brass. Not a huge deal. You don't really need that to get things clean, but I throw it in there because why not? There's my measuring cups, and I'm going to use none of those. I give a couple good shakes of Lemmy Shine, a couple of squirts of dish soap, and a few squeezes of the Jet Dry. That's it. What I'm going to do now, fill this with hot water as hot as I can get it to the top of that brass. Maybe just a little bit over. Then we'll put her on the tumbler. All right. For about 4 hours.
Later.
Black. Give them some rinses. Just ran clean hot water over the top of that, and we'll throw it on the tumbler for like 10 seconds. All right, I threw it on the tumbler with some clean hot water for 10 seconds to give that a twirl. Not as black, but dirty. Give these another good rinsing. Ultimately, what I'll do is I'll take this through a brass tumbler / strainer to get these pins out. And there they are, the final product. End result. It's a 6.5 Grindle. Here's that 6mm arc brass that was so dirty. I'd also written on most of that with a Sharpie on my charge weights. Clean as could be. Looking like new. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.